Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you how to use the Add a Quarter Plus ruler. Now, there's an earlier version with this without the plus. What's new in this one is that this edge of the ruler is tapered, and that makes all the difference. So the way it works is this. And you use this when you're doing foundation paper piecing. When you have sewn your fabric to the papers and you're ready to fold back the paper and trim it, this is the way I typically do it. I fold on the cutting line using the edge of a postcard, and I just carefully trim with my rotary cutter. It is admittedly dangerous. You can cut the paper, you can cut off the line. A lot of people do not trust themselves to follow that paper edge. Sometimes I don't trust myself to follow the paper edge. So what you can do instead is this. You can use, oh shoot, there's the cat playing with the toy. One moment. I'm back. You can use the tapered edge of the ruler to fold back on the sewing line, the next sewing line. Fold it back like that. You can take the ruler out, turn it over, and the ridge on the other side of the ruler runs against that folded edge, giving you a nice, sturdy ruler edge to cut against. Now, you can, I know, some of you are used to using a postcard here to fold this back. You can still do that, and then you can bump the ruler against the edge of the postcard. It gives you a slightly bigger lip, slightly bigger edge to run the lip of the ruler against. Either works. So, that is how the Add a Quarter Plus ruler works. I like this a lot, and happily, if you are doing large foundation paper pieces, you can also get a longer ruler, the 12-inch ruler. This one is handier. It's easier to maneuver, but for those times you need a longer ruler, you need a longer ruler, so perhaps you need two. I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and may you have many happy stitches. Thanks for watching.